Hey, what's up guys? I am NLR Spitfire, and basically I'm just going to show you guys how to get yourself put on Mumble and all of that stuff here if we're busy or don't have really much time to help you out, or if we're in game. Um, my cat just ripped the frickin' phone off my desk. This is the second time. Oi! And he runs away, of course. Okay, ignore that. So, the first thing you want to do is if we haven't sent you the Mumble download link, which is I'll just, if you don't want to Google, I don't see why you wouldn't want to. Actually, I'll just show you. So, get to the Mumble download. You're going to go to Google machine. Okay, Google Doodle. And, it thinks I said okay, Google. Damn it, I said okay, Google. Okay, that was pretty awesome. Okay, you can type in Mumble, without the typo, obviously. And what you want to do is you want to go to Mumble, and we usually go to the SourceForge download. This is the link we always send to anybody who is looking to get the Mumble stuff. Once that downloads, obviously I have it downloaded because I'm not a Dax, and it's an inside joke. We have a member named Dax who never goes on Mumble. And so once Mumble's installed, open it up, whether it goes to your preferences or whatever you save it at. Open up Mumble. Mine's obviously going to log me in automatically. But so what you're gonna want to do is you delete, edit, cancel. I don't know why I did this. Edit. Okay. So basically,
Connected.
what you're gonna want to do is when you come into Mumble,
Disconnected from server.
you're gonna have nothing. Everything's gonna be gone. This will all be gone too. And you're gonna go server connect, and then add new. And what you're gonna do is your label is Legion. That's just the name. I spelled that wrong probably, but that is just the name of the server. Legion servers. They do a big Minecraft stuff. They're actually Cloud. The owner of it's actually Cloud Kicker's brother. And the address you want, and this is really one of the most important things you need is mumble.loa.la, and then your port. That's default, and your username can be whatever your name is on Steam. I will just use for now, and you'll hit OK. It'll highlight it. This is my I've done a couple demo runs here of the tutorial,
Connected.
and then you'll log in, and you got all your channels here. We're normally done in the Lunar Republic channel. You'll
Size
see us
dependent.
here occasionally, and in the Legion channel occasionally. Um, but this is our channel. We're usually in here playing a game, and this is where we are. Okay, so to set up Mumble, when you come in, you'll be in root. What you want to do is you want to go to configure, you want to go to settings, and do you guys see how when I hit my push to talk that my lips light up right here? Mwah, 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 it's so kinky. Well, those lips, you're going to want to go to make that happen. That's basically the push to talk. It's not the voice activity. I've used voice activity on my Mac side of my computer, but it's obviously very annoying, and I wouldn't recommend it, especially if you're a very vocal person. So what you want to do is make sure you got your stuff set right here. Your input, your output, interface. I haven't messed with that. Shortcuts. What you want to do is I'll remove this one. And so when you want to do to make your push to talk work is you'll set this to push to talk over in the audio input, and then you'll go to shortcuts. You'll add a function. So you hit add unassigned, add push to talk. Oops. Add a push to talk, and I actually use the pushing down on my mouse roller. That's what works best for me. I just don't like moving my hand at all when I have to talk. So that's personal preference, obviously. Network, don't have to do anything. Messages. This is basically what it will read to you. So sometimes we'll get the troll that'll come in and just put like the vertical line, vertical line, vertical line, or equal sign, equal sign. It's all up to you if you want it to read it to you. I have mine set to read most things, and I also have mine set to read back my messages so I can hear my typos. That's a common thing for me. The next thing you want to make sure you do, plugins aren't a big deal. Overlay, make sure your overlay is disabled. If you're going into the game and or if you're running Mumble, you're in there talking to us, and your overlay is on, there is a chance that it can get into your game files, and because that's third-party software, it can get into your game files, and it can come up as hacking or just anything illegal. So make sure that's disabled. I know it's a nice luxury to have, but our rules are no VAC bans or no bans, and if one pops up, it puts us in a bad spot because we can't prove that it was Mumble. So just keep your mobile overlay off. It will also make your game performance run slower depending on your machine. So once you got all those settings set, you can go ahead and hit apply. Apply, okay. And that's pretty much it when it comes to Mumble. Um, all I really else I have to say is just make sure that you got us all on Steam here. Um, if you're watching this video to get it for the NASCAR series, you can bind a push to talk to your controller so you don't have to set your controller down every time you want to talk. And my cat is still being annoying. And just make sure that you got it set up the most convenient way for you. We don't want it to affect your racing. And if you're just one of our normal members, which we hope we're getting quite a bit of those too, we're just starting our recruiting drive here up January 2nd. So if you're here for that, being recruited just as one of our members of the clan, um, we're here most nights playing games. I'm fairly busy during the day, but most of the time we're here. If you guys aren't added to the page, just shoot us a message. Me and Claude will invite you, and that's pretty much it. Um, if you guys have anybody that you would like, any buddies, as long as they're VAC ban free and they agree with our rules, they can come in and be a part of our clan. So yeah, thanks for giving this a watch. I'm glad it wasn't. I'm sorry it was like 6 minutes long, but it's easier than trying to talk it through to you if you guys while playing a game. So thanks for watching. Keep on gaming.